On the Fifth Army front, while 4 Corps carried out operations in February and March, the 2 Corps sector had been largely quiet, though the 34th Division carried out a 2-battalion raid east of Highway 65 in February to seize high ground northwest of Pizzano. Nothing greater than company-strength patrols were undertaken in the rest of March. The 91st Division subsequently replaced the 34th in the Idice Valley and Mount Belmonte sector. The 1st Armoured Division, with 135 Regimental Combat Team attached, relieved the 6th South African Armoured Division on the left flank of 2 Corps. On the 8th Army front, the 8th Indian Division, which had been part of the 5th Army Reserve since January, returned to positions in the Adriatic coastal sector. On the 6th of March, the 34th Division returned and relieved the 88th Division astride Highway 65. A week later, the 10th Indian Division assumed command of the 85th Division sector in the Monte Grande hill mass. The 8th Army extended its boundary westward to just east of the Idice River Valley. Axis forces were also reorganized. The Germans moved the 16th SS Panzer Grenadier Division and 715 Grenadier Division out of Italy. The 29th Panzer Grenadier Division was taken out of reserve to hold the line opposite America's 10th Mountain Division in early March. 334 Grenadier Division relieved the 29th at the end of the month to allow it to return to reserve near Modena. 278 Grenadier Division extended its sector to cover the gap left by the later withdrawal of 334 Grenadier Division. Opposite 4 Corps in the Serchio Valley, the Italia Division replaced the Monte Rosa Division, which was shifted to northwest Italy. The transfer of the 16th SS Panzer Grenadier Division and the 715 Grenadier Division to the Eastern Front cut Axis strength in Italy to 23 German and 5 Italian divisions. In mid-March, Field Marshal Albert Kesselring was called to Germany to take charge of the breached German defense lines along the Western Front. General Heinrich von Wichtenhoff, who had acted for Kesselring when he was injured in a car crash in October 1944, was elevated to the Supreme Command in Italy. Throughout March, across the entire Italian front, both Allied armies started to prepare for the great offensive scheduled to begin in April. Frontline units were rotated, supplies were accumulated. Heavy equipment was concentrated.